Hey y'all, welcome to Abramelin Botanica. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So today I wanted to talk about our Abramelin oil. So many magical practitioners use Abramelin oil to anoint and consecrate their tools, as well as themselves. The original formula is based on the holy oil described in Exodus 30, and one of its many uses is to facilitate contact with one's holy guardian angel. So some of y'all might be familiar with that if you're into ceremonial magic. And if you're not, that's okay. You can still use this oil to help empower your magical workings. So if you want to invoke a higher power to come down and facilitate not only your protection during a magical ritual, but to activate your magic, period, you can use this Abramelin oil. And let's see here. Oh yeah, some of the ingredients within this oil are cinnamon, cassia, myrrh, and the base is fractionated coconut oil. And you don't have to be a particular magical path or specific spiritual path in order to use this oil. Just like the rest of our magical and spiritual oils, it's open to anyone to use. You can get this oil at www.aromagees.com and at our shop at 223 Donaldson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. Thanks for visiting. Make sure you like and subscribe.